Somebody have to surpass me. Don't me surpass the greatest, which is Rory. I surpass him. Who was the biggest? Rory. You had Glamour Wayne, Sky Juice, Mark, Danny, Richie,
Captain Midnight,
Ian, Johnny Guard, and who else will leave out? Jagga B, all of them. Rory was the most popular and the biggest out of all of them, but he wasn't the baddest. You don't know none of them will represent my country more than me. Remember, me stand up and say them never give me, them never honor me yet in a national stadium. But the things them want me do, yet still, 90% of Jamaica, Tony Matterhorn is one of the most popular Jamaican out there in the world.
Yeah. Oh, what a show! What a show! What a show! Oh God, what a show! I feel good. Oh, some chat is on the radio, and it's my #1 talk show. Yeah, yes.